In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove a background from an image. So basically, all you need to do for this is open your browser, and then you want to go to a website called remove.bg. I'll actually go to that website, remove.bg. So remove image background 100% automatically and free. So all you need to do is click on upload image over here. You then want to select an image. So I'll go with, let's see, this one over here, for example, or no, we'll go with the headphones. So you then select the image, click on open, original, you can see the white background, and there we go. This is with the removed background. So you guys can see the difference. This is a PNG file. If I download it, it won't have a background. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can do this for free. If you appreciate this quick and straightforward tutorial, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. That will really help me out, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.